Hi y'all, this is Tanya Meadows with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy, and today I want to share with you a few ideas that we do in our homeschool for teaching grammar. Some people might call that language arts. And we use the Spectrum workbook and also a textbook that I got online for a discounted price at Amazon.com. And some of the rules of grammar can be pretty dry. And so I'm going to go over those and show you how I introduce that a little bit. So what's happening is I have been stuffing our weekly folder for this week's lesson plans, and I'm at the stage where I'm stuffing it with our grammar. And as you can see, my daughter had already been working on some of the pages that I felt that she needed. We don't do every page. And when I come to a sheet that has a bunch of rules, such as this, and this particular one is on comma usage, and they use a review where they review all of the comma rules. What I do is go ahead and take a colored sheet of paper and photocopy that sheet on a piece of colored paper. And then what I do is I take my paper cutter and cut each rule into separate strips, as well as the title for the top of the page. And this is a different set of rules from a couple pages back. Let's see, this is commas with introductory words. And as you can see, she had already finished these sample pages, and this is going to be review. So I just folded this sheet in half when I went to photocopy it. I just bent it here so that I didn't waste all of this ink. These are the rules, and I just copied that on yellow paper. Now I have a little post-it note here that says, read each grammar rule, glue into your notebook. And then here is her notebook. Okay? And this is a previous lesson that we had already completed, and she reads each one of these before she glues them into her notebook. Sometimes I'll have those read them each to me so that I know she's actually doing them, and sometimes she can work on her own. So this is samples of what she had previously done. This one we had done on white paper, but as you can see, it's much nicer with the colored. Now she'll probably have to trim the sides down a little bit to be able to get those glued in. And I will just stick this in her daily folder, and it has the directions on it. And I will cut this up, attach it with a paper clip, and then she'll know what to do, and I'll put that into her folder. Additionally, I had found a textbook online. I believe it was Amazon.com. And when we come to a page that has a chart on it, then I just have her copy the chart into her notebook as well. So this chart right here is right here. Okay, so I'm going to go and flip through. This is a workbook that's a couple years old, and it spans from simple things like common nouns and proper nouns, singular and plural, verbs, linking verbs, and in this case I used what appeared to be links to try to hone in on the linking verbs vocabulary. My daughter decided that she would draw a bird here. Okay, so I linked adverb, describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Okay, articles, plurals and possessives, And we do things to try to highlight parts of the rules to make them more interesting. Because I think grammar is the most boring subject to teach and to learn. Okay? So, okay, we do things like put things in bubbles. Okay? To try, and we use color. We use colored markers. In addition, we have a special spectrum, what's it called? It's a special workbook that I have as well that has a lot of grammar in it. And this is one of the samples. I'll have to do another video on that. But this is really cute. And the pieces that goes along with this page is kept in here, and it's an interactive activity. Okay? So nothing really fancy. But the idea is that she will break down each rule and have to concentrate on each one. And the physical activity of gluing them and cutting them gives her more time to spend with the rule and makes it more important than just skimming it over quickly. So I hope these ideas help you, and I hope this maybe gives you a little creativity to think outside the box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and let us know how you like it. Click the subscribe button. Y'all enjoy your weekend and your week. Bye.